Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remote play on Steam. So let's jump straight into it. Here we are on my desktop. As you can see, I've got the Steam app opened. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is come up to the left-hand corner and click onto Steam up here. Next, what you want to do is come down and click onto Settings. And then from here, you're going to get a window like this. So all you want to do is if you come to the left-hand side, you should look a bit down the menu. You're going to see an option for remote play. So you just want to click onto this. And the first thing you want to do is make sure it's enabled. So all you want to do is click Enable Remote Play. And then what I would recommend, first of all, is if you come down where it says Enable Advanced Host Options, give this a click to turn this on. And there's a couple of settings you want to change on this. So that depends on what kind of speakers you want the sounds to be coming from. Now, if you're using a high-end PC, quite with Quaker graphics, and so on and so forth, you can actually disable the hardware encoding. But if you're using mid-range spec PC, I would recommend enabling the hardware encoding just to improve the performance and make it a bit smoother. Also, what I would recommend is turning this one on change desktop resolution to match the streaming clients, again to improve performance, and the rest you can just leave. So to actually remote play, all you need to do is basically log on to another PC and open up Steam. All you need to do is log in with the same account as this one, and you should be able to go ahead straight away and enable remote play now. If you're trying to do this through a phone, then what you're going to want to do is actually download an app called Steam Link. Once you've downloaded the Steam Link app, if you open up Steam Link app, it's going to give you a code. And what you want to do is come onto here and you can see an option which is here, which says pair to Steam Link. So you just want to click onto this and then the code it gives you on the app. You just want to enter down here and what's going to do is pair the two devices. So once it pairs, you'll be able to choose remote play on a mobile. So here you go guys. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.